Embroidery Link or E-Link is another one of the apps you'll find with your machine. When you open it, you can set your own preferences here, and then you can come right into the designs. There are many of these information menu windows that pop up, and you can click down here on Don't Show Again, and they won't pop up each time you come on. When you open it, you have a menu button at the top. And what it does is it looks in my iPad, and any designs that I have saved to my iPad will show up here. Anything in my CM17 will show up down here. The things that are on the Ready to Sew screen, as you can see on the screen, I have this design there. And if I select that, it has the design there. If I want to edit this design now in the app, I can select it, and I have a chance to bring it in here onto my edit screen, and I can make edits to it here. Now this is a rather large design, and if I wanted to make it smaller, I could come over here and pick a smaller hoop. Maybe we'll bring it down to the RE20D, and you can see it's outside the hoop, but if I do fit to hoop, it'll bring it down and it'll fit in that hoop for me. It does give me some messages letting me know what changes were made to that design. So I went right from the big, the big hoop down to there's in the big hoop, and then we can go back, and there it is in the smaller hoop. So this is great, so you can change any of your designs, even if they're not the built-in ones. You have a chance to change any of them. We'll go back a menu or two here so we can look at what else is in the program. So I showed you the Ready to Sew screen. We worked with the design that was already in there. You can work with your built-in drive too. If you save something to your machine, you can go to your built-in drive. If you had a USB stick in your machine, you would be able to access your USB stick as well. So you have access to your built-in samples, so you can touch here, and they will load in here. So there they are, and you have access to all the designs that are built in. And you can page through here looking at all the different designs. You can select any of these and use them in the editing function of the machine. So let's go in here and we'll work on editing a design. Let me find one here. So let's look at this flower right here. And I'm going to X out of that. I'm going to go to the edit screen. And here I see my design. Up here I can see the parts of my design. I can select parts, change colors of those if I wanted to. Down here, maybe I wanted this to be more pink, and I want the blue ones to be a different color. I could select from there, go back to my selection, change the color of that. I can add lettering in here. There are 12 fonts that you can use if I wanted to add lettering. I can duplicate my design in here also by clicking in here. And let's go here, and we'll go to 2 by 2, apply, and it makes a very large square. You can use your corner arrows to bring that down, put it back in your square, and play with it from there.